Convenience stores in Japan are next level. They're clean, organized, and full of amazing food and products you won't find anywhere else. Today, let's take a look inside Lawson, one of Japan's favorite convenience store chains, and explore the top 5 things you should definitely buy at Lawson. Hash 1. Fresh bakery and pastries. Lawson's bakery section is incredible. From soft melon pan to chocolate croissants and sandwiches, everything is freshly made every day. Try their famous egg salad sandwich. It's creamy, rich, and a fan favorite among locals and tourists alike. Hash 2. Lawson's freshly brewed coffee, MACHI Café. Next, grab a coffee from MACHI Café, Lawson's in-store coffee bar. It's made fresh by staff using real espresso machines, not vending machines. It's affordable, delicious, and perfect for your morning commute. Hash 3. Karaage-kun Fried Chicken. You can't visit Lawson without trying Karaage-kun, their iconic fried chicken bites. They come in multiple flavors like regular, spicy, and even limited editions, such as cheese or curry. Crispy outside, juicy inside, perfect for snacking on the go. Hash 4. Desserts and sweets. Lawson is famous for its premium desserts, especially from the Uchi Cafe brand. Try the premium roll cake. It's soft, creamy, and incredibly popular across Japan. They also sell puddings, mochi sweets, and seasonal treats that look like art. Hash 5. Bento Boxes and Onigiri. Lawson's Bento Boxes and Onigiri, rice balls, are perfect for lunch or a quick meal. You'll find Japanese classics like salmon, tuna mayo, or pork cutlet bentos, all tasty and affordable. If you're traveling, this is a great way to eat like a local without breaking the bank. So that's it, the top 5 things to buy at Lawson. From coffee to fried chicken to desserts, Japanese convenience stores are a must-try experience. Next time you see a Lawson, don't just pass by, step inside and explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos about Japan travel tips, culture, and food. See you in Japan!